Hi, I'm Jackie and this is Samye LIng. This is where we'll be holding our Mindfulness in Nature weekend starting on the 6th of September. Here we can become immersed in nature, in the woodlands, by the river, and just walking around these amazing grounds here. And this will be our first weekend of an Introduction to Mindfulness course, which is standalone, but we'll have the benefits of learning some mindfulness in nature, as well as some movement with qigong, and just taking it easy and having a nice retreat weekend with good food, good space to be in, and like-minded people. So why not join me for the next couple of minutes to just relax and sit back, take a mindful moment as we take a look around the venue of Samye LIng. On this weekend, we will learn the fundamentals of mindfulness, beginning with noticing the mind and how active it is and how that makes us feel. And then we train it gently to stay in the present moment. And we do this using the breath and the feel of the body in a body scan and also through movement. Cultivating compassion and kindness is also an important part of mindfulness training, as we look at our attitude and begin to gently open more. We will be inviting you to learn mindfulness through immersion in nature and noticing more and taking in the moments of beauty. We will also spend some time practicing shinrin yoku, which is forest bathing, and spending time with trees, using the experience of nature to hold us in the present moment. Research tells us that mindfulness, compassion, nature and qigong all contribute to our well-being and reduction of stress individually. So we look forward to combining all four of these benefits for you into one weekend. So we invite you to take some time out for yourself, relax and rest, and soak in the practices in this peaceful environment.